In this video, I'm showing you another simple air fryer recipe. I'm cooking some lamb steaks in the air fryer that have been covered in fresh rosemary and garlic. They're simple to prepare and take less than 10 minutes to cook. All we need are some fresh lamb steaks, some olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic and some fresh rosemary. If you don't have fresh rosemary, you can use dried rosemary instead. Chop the fresh rosemary up into small pieces using either a sharp knife or some scissors. Next, add the olive oil to a bowl and add the 2 crushed cloves of garlic, followed by the chopped rosemary. Mix it all together until it is well combined before adding the lamb steaks, making sure the lamb is completely covered in the mixture. Now it's time to transfer the lamb steaks to the air fryer basket. Give them a little space in between and then set the air fryer off at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Halfway through, turn them over. I ended up cooking these for 12 minutes, after which time they were cooked to medium. If you prefer medium rare, take them out sooner, or of course if you prefer your lamb well done, leave them in for a couple of minutes longer. All of the details for this recipe are in the description down below, or you can find them over on my blog, Liana's Kitchen, where you'll also find lots of other simple air fryer recipes. Please let me know in the comments what your favourite air fryer recipes are, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.